Welcome back to Rookies and Stars Sports Collectible Box Break. Right now we're going to be doing Upper Deck Premier Football. You see we have a sealed case on the table here. Here's Joe, our box breaker.
Welcome back again.
Yes, we haven't been here in a while, but we got to start getting back into the swing of things. Let's just start off. Let's take the box right off the top here.
Okay. Start with this one here. Come on.
Security seal. Not secure no more.
Alright.
One pack, I think, was 7
I think
cards?
it's 7 cards per pack.
Supposed to be 3 autographs per pack. One's a rookie autograph.
Okay, we gotta start with our base card. We have Jamarcus Russell. We're gonna work from the bottom down here. Start out with a 3-piece jersey card of Cadillac Williams, 2 of 65. Our next card, we have a Fred Davis, Martin Rucker, dual auto, premier pairings, 18 of 50. Next is we have Josh Johnson. It's I believe it's his autograph rookie, 98 of 99. I believe that's the rookie card. No, it's actually an insert card. Premier penmanship. We then have a triple patch card, Steven Jackson, Chad Johnson, and Derek Anderson, 51 of 75. Nice, looks like about 4 or 5 color patches there. We then have our Stitchings card, 21 of 30 for Glenn Dorsey. 2007 All-American. Yeah, he's been redemption and everything for his auto. And our rookie is Dexter Jackson, 219 of 275 with the quad jerseys there. One of the base rookies.
Okay, and then the base. And
our base again was Jamarcus Russell,
all right,
number 99.
Let's open another one. Let's do the one on top here.
Okay.
You can find these at rookiesandstars.com. They should be right on the homepage there.
Open. There we go. Come on. Okay, we start with our top card. There's Kellen Winslow. Number 2, lose a silver parallel, 32 of 35. See our bottom card. We have triple jersey, Jay Cutler, Champ Bailey, and Brandon Marshall. Number 265. We have an autograph card here of, I can't see his name there. Oh, Adrian Arrington, 23 of 35. We then have, let's see, we got our Premier Rare Remnants, Premier Rare Materials 3, 43 of 50 for Matt Schaub. We have Premier Penmanship of Chris Long, 7 of 65. Premier Stitchings, Tom Rathman, 2 of 15, gold version. And our rookie is Chris Johnson.
Chris Johnson.
13 of 275.
Not bad.
That's a nice one.
Bad.
He's been playing pretty good.
Yeah, well, there you have it. Our second box of Upper Deck Premier Football. It can be found at rookiesandstars.com. You've seen another box break from rookiesandstars.com. Have a good day, everybody.